Introducing the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie, Dehydrator, and Convection Oven, a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the benefits of several cooking methods into one convenient device. With its innovative design and advanced features, this appliance takes your culinary skills to a whole new level. Air frying. The air frying function of the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer allows you to indulge in your favorite fried foods with less guilt. Using rapid air technology, it circulates hot air around the food, giving it a crispy, golden texture without the need for excessive oil. Whether you're cooking French fries, chicken wings, or even donuts, you can achieve that satisfying crunch without the extra calories. Rotisserie. With the built-in rotisserie function, you can enjoy succulent, evenly cooked meats right in your own kitchen. The rotating spit ensures that your chicken, turkey, or roast is cooked evenly on all sides, resulting in tender and juicy meat with a perfectly crispy skin. Impress your family and guests with restaurant-quality rotisserie meals without the hassle of an outdoor grill or rotisserie oven. Dehydrator. The dehydrator feature of this appliance allows you to preserve fruits, vegetables, herbs, and even make your own beef jerky or dried fruit snacks. By removing the moisture from the food, the dehydrator helps extend its shelf life while retaining the flavors and nutrients. This is an excellent way to make healthy, homemade snacks without any additives or preservatives. Convection oven. The convection oven function utilizes a fan to circulate hot air throughout the cooking chamber, resulting in faster and more even cooking. It's perfect for baking cookies, cakes, and bread, as well as roasting vegetables and cooking casseroles. The convection feature ensures that your food is cooked evenly, with crispy exteriors and moist interiors. Digital controls and presets. The CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie, Dehydrator, Convection Oven features an easy-to-use digital control panel. With just a few taps, you can set the cooking time, temperature, and choose from a range of pre-programmed settings for popular dishes. This makes cooking a breeze, especially for beginners or those who want to simplify their meal preparation. Large capacity. This appliance offers a generous cooking capacity, allowing you to prepare meals for the whole family or entertain guests. The spacious interior accommodates multiple racks or trays, giving you the flexibility to cook different foods simultaneously. Say goodbye to